Imagine you have a brilliant idea, a passion that you want to turn into a thriving UK business. You've got the vision, the drive, but there's one question that often looms large. What documents do you actually need to get started? Let's break it down, shall we? Hello there, my name's Ian from Your Company Formations, where we make forming your company child's play. Let's dive in to the essential documents you'll need to form a company in the UK. Now, it might seem a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to break it down for you. This is the foundational document of your company. It outlines the company's name, registered office address, objects, that's the purpose of the company, and liability of its members. Let's take a look at each one. Firstly, the company name. Choose a name that is unique, available, and complies with UK company law. You can do a handy search on our website to see if your name is available. Registered office. This is the official address where the legal documents can be served. It can be a physical address or a virtual registered office address. In this video here, we break down why having a registered service address can be a game changer for your business. Objects. Clearly state the purpose of your activities of your company. What sort of product you supply? Are you in sales? Etc, etc. Basically, describe what your company does so you can be assigned SIC codes. You can find more about SIC codes in this video here on our channel as well. Liability. Determine whether your company will have limited or unlimited liability. Limited liability means shareholders are only liable up to the amount they have invested. These are the internal rules that govern your company's operations. They cover things like how meetings are conducted, how directors are appointed, and how profits are distributed. Shareholder rights. These define the rights and responsibilities of the shareholders. Director powers. Outline the powers and duties of the directors. Company meetings. Specify how and when general meetings will be held. Financial reporting. Determine the frequency and content of financial reports. You can see more information about Articles of Association, what they're used for, and how to make your own on this video from our channel. Once you file the necessary documents with Companies House, your company will be assigned a unique company number. This document confirms that your company has been legally formed and registered, so you can start running your business knowing everything is above board and, most importantly, legal. There are some additional considerations also when starting a company. Now, these won't apply to everyone, but they are worth noting, so I've added them here for completeness. Shareholders agreement. While not mandatory, a shareholders agreement can be useful for setting out the rights and responsibilities of the company's shareholders. VAT registration. If your business exceeds the VAT threshold, which is currently £85,000, you'll need to register for value-added tax. Employment contracts. If you plan to hire employees, you'll need to have written employment contracts in place. You can see more information about hiring your first employee in this video on our channel. Intellectual property. If your business involves any intellectual property, such as patents, trademarks, or copyrights, you may need to register or protect these assets. Navigating the complexities of company formation in the UK can be time-consuming and stressful. That's where we at yourcompanyformations.co.uk come in. We have professional staff that can handle all of the paperwork and formalities on your behalf. We'll ensure that all necessary documents are filed correctly and on time. Additionally, we can provide valuable guidance and support throughout the entire process. If you're ready to take the leap and turn your idea into a reality in the UK, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.